Good morning, day 59, Fat Girl Slim 365. I seem to be extra red this morning, I don't know why. I haven't gone any faster, still at speed 9 for my sprock. Left bum cheek feels almost, touch wood, almost back to normal. Could it be something to do with Tiara Power? A lot of people were asking who Shira was. Oh my god! Oh, my dog, actually. Don't believe in God. Anyway, do you not remember? Shira, Princess of Power. She had the long, blonde, flowing locks. And she was she the sister or the cousin of He-Man? He-Man. Something of Grayskull. Can't remember what his tagline was. Anyway, that's where she was a princess of power and wore a kind of tiara-like thing and was very strong and powerful. So, yeah, I am relating myself to an 80s cartoon character. Yeah, and who cares? Anyway, right, I had a good workout this morning again. Went swimming last night, 40 lengths in 40 minutes. Feeling strong, and I've got Aquafit tonight. Woohoo! Let's see how we got on with that. Missed it last week, so I'm really looking forward to it tonight. Going to have my rest day tomorrow, so I'll still check in my wee video, maybe see how it's going. And what date are we on? 11th, 12th, 13, 3 more sleeps till weigh-in. Woo! I'm not too concerned. I may not have lost a lot of weight, but I'm looking forward to measuring myself because I reckon I've lost another couple of inches. I can feel my hips shrinking. Right, okay, I'm going to go to work now. I'm a bit, hyperactive today, I don't know why. Okay, right, love yous all, bye!